Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the powerful wisdom of ancient Stoic philosophy, as specifically, 12 morning habits that can help you face daily challenges with calm, confidence, and clarity. These aren't just productivity tips, they're life tools used by some of the greatest minds in history. If you want to wake up with purpose and build mental toughness, this is for you. Stick around to the end. The final habit might be the easiest but most transformative of all. 1. Practice negative visualization. It sounds a bit strange, but the Stoics swore by it. Imagine things not going your way, the traffic jam, the coffee spill, the unexpected delay. By thinking through possible setbacks ahead of time, you'll be less shaken when life throws a curveball. It's mental armor for the chaos of the day. 2. Start with gratitude. Before grabbing your phone or checking emails, pause and reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be your health, a loved one, or even just the comfort of your bed. The Stoics believed that appreciating what you already have is the path to inner peace. 3. Rise early and embrace the silence. The early morning is a sacred time. Waking up before the world starts buzzing gives you a chance to think clearly and set your intention. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself each morning that it was his duty to rise and do the work he was meant for. 4. Identify your main task. What's the one thing that, if completed today, would make your day a win? This is your essential duty. Focus on it. The Stoics emphasized purposeful action. Don't try to do it all. Just do what truly matters. 5. Read or reflect daily. Whether it's a passage from a Stoic text or a quiet moment of meditation, carve out time to feed your mind. The Stoics were lifelong learners, always seeking to understand themselves and the world better. Just 10 minutes can shift your mindset for the entire day. 6. Welcome discomfort. Growth doesn't come from comfort. Try something challenging every morning. A cold shower, a brisk walk, or a few push-ups. The Stoics believed voluntary discomfort builds resilience, preparing you to face real hardship with strength. 7. Avoid early distractions. Skip the scroll. Don't let notifications dictate your morning energy. The Stoics taught that focus is power, and the first hour of your day sets the tone. Be intentional with it. 8. Check in with yourself. Before rushing into the day, ask, how am I feeling right now? Self-awareness is a cornerstone of Stoic thought. Know your emotions, name them, and then decide how you want to respond, not just react. 9. Recite a Stoic mantra. Simple phrases can carry deep meaning. Memento mori, remember you will die. Amor fati, love your fate. Repeat a mantra that grounds you. It's a way to align with your values and remind yourself of what's truly important. 10. Visualize your day. Walk through your day in your mind. Picture the interactions, the tasks, the challenges, and how you'll handle them. This kind of mental rehearsal helps you act with intention rather than reacting on autopilot. 11. Control what you can. This one's big. You can't control the weather, traffic, or other people, but you can control your attitude and actions. Each morning, remind yourself, today, I will focus only on what I can control. Let go of the rest. 12. Breathe with intention. Finally, take 3 deep breaths. That's it, just breathe. Intentional breathing is a simple, powerful way to ground yourself in the present. It signals your body and brain that you're calm, focused, and ready. Outro. There you have it, 12 Stoic morning habits that can help you lead a more resilient, focused, and meaningful life. Which habit will you try tomorrow morning? Let me know in the comments or share your own routine. And if this inspired you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a calm, powerful start to their day. Remember, every morning is a fresh opportunity to live with purpose. Until next time, stay mindful and live like a Stoic.